What is up, guys? Just want to give you a brief update on the SC Project MotoGP exhaust for my CB300R. Let's get this thing started here real quick. What I think and what I like, what I don't like type of scenario here. You know, cheap $100 eBay exhaust. But yeah, let's go for a ride. About the exhaust, I do absolutely love the sound of the exhaust. Sounds great. But then again, on that note, around town it's not bad. But if you're cruising to work doing 50-55 miles an hour, even with the baffles in, it can be deafening for 20 minutes or so. Like my ride to work, it's about a 20-minute ride at 40 to 50 miles an hour, and it's loud. It's real loud. So I wanted louder, but I don't want this loud. But again, she sounds good. Does sound good. She does create quite a bit of vibration though in the bike that wasn't there before. So for some of you that might be an issue. It doesn't seem to bother me too bad. You know, I just kind of deal with it. It is what it is. It's not any worse than being on a dirt bike or something like that. You know what I mean? If you ask me, that's what this exhaust sounds like. It kind of sounds like I'm ripping around on like the CRF 450 or, you know, one of Honda's older 400EX Sport quads. That's what this exhaust makes this bike sound like. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to hear it on camera with me riding through town, but she's echoey. She is echoey. Man, I'm glad it got nice out though. Earlier today it was kind of drizzly, hella cloudy, roads were all wet. It sucked. Unfortunately, we lost pretty much all of July's riding season because it was raining. That was a disappointment, but we'll make up for it. We still got August, September, October, really, before it starts getting too cold to want to ride. People look at me funny when they see me talking to myself. I don't care. Ain't care. You guys hear this thing? Listen to that. Eesh. Eesh. Eat my shorts, do 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 do. Yeah, I was just sitting here thinking, man, there is an awful lot of traffic. Then I realized it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, all these people are getting out of work. That explains a lot. That explains a lot. Listen to this thing when I go to take off. See if you see, I don't know how well it's gonna hear it, but listen to this thing. Oh shit, here. Hear that? Can you even hear yourselves after that? I can't hear myself. I'm deaf. I'm hard of hearing. It's all because of my SC Project Moto GP exhaust. She's loud, she's spicy, she's crispy. Listen, everybody knows I'm around. You should see the looks I get when I do that to people. People give me so much shit. Like the guy behind me right now, shaking his head. Whatever. Whatever. There's so much traffic for a Tuesday afternoon. Oh. Don't you do it, you stay put. That all black, sexy little Honda. All right, guys, so my only complaint with this exhaust is, look at that. After I put the baffles in, the paint got smoked. She got too hot, cooked the paint. So for now, for aesthetic purposes, that's going back on. I have an Akrapovic on order, along with a rear fender delete that should be here in a couple weeks. Those will be going on the bike, so stay tuned for that. But for now, going back to stock, because that just looks like absolute shit. I suppose real quick I'll give you one more quick off-bike, non-riding sound clip with the baffles in. As you can see, she's still got temp in her. Obnoxious. Alright guys, so back to that big ugly bulky stock one, but either way, it's better than that. That's terrible. Like I said, I absolutely love the exhaust. Sounds great, easy install, looked great until I put the baffles in it, and then once I put the baffles in it, she went to shit real fast. Within a week after putting the baffles in, the paint was gone, and that's quite literally where the baffles sit in the muffler. So just getting too hot right there, cooked off the paint. But on that note, I'm gonna end this video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.